is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui, and in today's video we are doing a requested video by Miss T, and she wants a comparison between the Chanel Jumbo flap
And the medium flap. And if you are new to our channel, what is up? And then to our OG subscribers, what's up? And on this channel we do luxury, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you love us and like what we post, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get this video rolling, baby.
Ooh, that was good, girl. Yeah. Just to get started, this is the Jumbo flap, of course, and Ri is holding the medium flap. Let me be the first to say, like, I know people want a comparison, but the only difference really is the size. All of the rest of the features are very similar, so I'm just gonna take you through that really quickly, and Richenza's gonna follow along. Okay, so first of all, both bags are in caviar leather. We do have gold hardware for the Jumbo,
and then for the Chanel medium, it is the ruthenium hardware.
Ooh, good job. Yes, so ruthenium hardware for the medium flap. Okay, so as you see in the front, it does have the Chanel turn lock closure, and the Chanel turn lock closure on the Jumbo is larger than on the medium flap. The chain is also thicker on the Jumbo than on the medium flap. And then when you turn it over, you have the Mona Lisa pocket on the back. The inside, the inside of both bags has a burgundy lining. I don't know if you can even see that, but the lining on the inside is burgundy. Then when you turn the bag around and you flip the bag open, both of the bags actually do have the zipper pocket on the inside of the bag, and then as you see, both have the double flap. Then we're gonna open it again, and this is where you see some differences. On the inside of the Jumbo, the Chanel logo on the inside of the flap is actually flat, where Ri's has a raised logo. Then on the inside of the Jumbo flap, the Chanel made in Italy, which is also on the flap, is in gold.
And then for mine, it has the Chanel made in France, and it is in silver.
So then on the inside of the bag, both bags do have the lipstick pocket, which is right here, and then 2 additional pockets here, and then both also has this pocket right here in the front. So yeah, that is a quick rundown of both bags.
Yeah. So with these bags, you guys, these are both Qui's bags. The only ones that I have in Chanel is the signature flap. So I am going to be learning with you guys. So I just want to kick this off with the pros of these bags. What do you feel like are the pros of the Chanel bags, baby?
Ooh. So the pros, I would say, of both bags are absolutely timeless. Like, if you were to purchase this bag, they both go up in price. They are both absolutely beautiful, and I feel like you can wear them for special occasions. So I think that is really great about these particular bags.
Oh, so when you say special occasions, you don't see yourself doing like festivals or
girl, no
concerts?
No, that's what we not gonna do. We not taking our bags to no festivals or to no concerts. Like, no, that's a no-go for me. I'm not taking my bag nowhere. I'm about to be okay. No, that's not what these do. I would take these like to dinner, if I'm going shopping downtown, if I'm feeling drab and I need to be fab, I pull this out. I have on my sweats and pull out my Chanel bag, and I just feel on. I be feeling on.
I feel like they can really dress up any outfit. That's another pro. It's just like, you put this on, you can have on a t-shirt and some jeans and toss this on with some sunglasses. Ooh,
yeah, you be fly
popping.
So yeah, I really do like that, and I also like the fact that these bags have longevity. If you bought a Chanel bag 15 years ago, you can still pull it out and you can still wear it, and it's still, you know, relevant. Like, everybody loves a Chanel bag.
That's very true. So with yours, how long have you had them?
This one for maybe 5 years.
5 years?
Maybe.
Holy crap. And what about the medium flap?
The medium flap, I think I've had a couple of years. I definitely unboxed the medium flap on our channel.
So we'll leave that up above the unboxing of this medium flap if you guys want to see that. So with that being said, what do you feel like are the cons for the purses?
Oh, so first of all, the cons are the prices. The Jumbo's new price is retailing for $7,100 and the medium flap is retailing for $6,500.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the first con. The second con is, I would say, the leather on the bags per season are always different. So if you order a Chanel bag, you know, today, it may be different than a Chanel bag 3 years ago because the leather is different, even if you still have caviar leather for both years.
So when you say different, what is the different that you're talking about?
Okay, so for example, on this bag, this is caviar and this is caviar as well. This bag is just like a lot harder.
Oh, it is.
Than this bag. This bag is like super mushy. This bag is harder, and even now, when I got this bag, it was even harder
than that.
Than what it is right now. Like, it was firm. Like, you could literally knock on it and it would make noise. Like,
I didn't know that the leathers, they can be either soft or harder, even though they're both caviar.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
It's cool, but then it's just like, it's kind of bad because like, what if the year that you are ready to purchase your Chanel bag,
it's soft.
It's a soft bag, and it's like, it literally almost feel like, it almost will feel like
just very malleable and squishy.
What's the other leather? I cannot even think of the name of it.
Lambskin?
No, not lambskin. Yes, I could not even think of the name of it. So yeah, you could get a caviar leather that literally feels like lambskin. And it's just like, girl, like, that actually happened to me with my beige clear. When I got my beige clear, which is also a jumbo, I had to call them because I was like, this is not a freaking caviar leather bag and I want to send it back. The lady was like, oh no, like that, you know, it is like that.
I remember you calling.
Because I was mad as hell, y'all. I was like, this don't feel like my other bag. I was mad. And yeah, that year was a soft leather year, and then this year was too. It's like, it's very mushy.
You could definitely tell the difference. This one is a lot softer. Even the bottom, the jumbo is very structured.
Yeah, you could, now the bottom of this jumbo, like, you cannot even like mush this at all.
That's hardcore.
Like, it's not going anywhere.
So with these bags, this is caviar leather. So wear and tear, do they scratch easily? Like, what
I can say with both bags, the wear and tear has been absolutely amazing. I honestly, like, even though these bags cost a lot of money, the wear and tear are great as long as you take care of them.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So if you take care of them, you good to go.
You good to go.
So as we're talking about taking care of them, I know that Louis Vuitton, they have it to where if something happens to your bag, you can get repairs on it. Is it the same for Chanel?
Okay, so Chanel does have a spa that you can send your bag out to, or if something happens to it, they will help you out. However, I believe their warranty is only for 5 years. It used it used to be that they would take the bag in, you could take it to the spa and all of that, and I believe they changed their policy. I don't know for sure, only because I haven't had to take my bags in for a minute. The last bag I had to take in, I took in 2 bags. I had to get them clean because I had dye transfer, and the only thing they asked was like my name and where I got the bag from, and they were able to locate me in the system. So that was that process, and for both bags I did have to pay. So to get the dye out, I think they actually re-dyed one of the bags, and it was $300 a piece to get them done.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad, girl, but I wasn't trying to pay nothing. Like, I wasn't trying to pay nothing. But I'm just saying, like, so if a strap broke, like, yeah, they gonna tax you, okay?
Right, okay.
So yeah.
And as we're talking about the straps, I know the Jumbo is a lot heavier. Does it hurt your shoulder when you have it packed?
It can get a little heavy now. It could definitely get a little heavy, but honestly, this bag is the love of my life.
Aww.
When I first, like, this is my holy grail bag. When I was old enough to know what bag I wanted, this was the bag. So I don't care, like, when they say beauty is pain, that's how I feel about this.
Oh no.
Like, I don't care. I'm wearing my bag, honey, okay?
It is beautiful. It's
Yes.
absolutely beautiful. So with these bags, if someone were to say, okay, which bag should I get? Should I get the Jumbo? Should I get the medium? I'm looking for space and I just want a really good bag. Which one would you say?
I would honestly, like, this is my honest opinion. When you are spending these kind of funds on a bag, I would never take anybody's advice on what bag to get. Like, I watch the reviews, but go to the store numerous times, try the bags on, and see which one you like the best. Personally, I love the Jumbo.
Okay.
The medium flap don't do nothing for me.
See, and I love the medium flap. I feel like, so yeah, there's a difference, because I remember I went to, I can't remember where I went, but I borrowed this baby and I was in love. It held everything that I needed. So that just goes to show, it's like you really just have to decipher which one.
Yeah, I would say go to the store, try the bags on numerous times, put your things in the bag. They will allow you to do that. You just have to ask, like, oh, can I put a couple of my things in the bag? If you have a nice, I've never had anyone tell me no, and I've been to the store a million times, like, can I try this bag on? And I don't care if they get mad.
She does.
I go to the store, I try the bags on, and yeah, like, that's personally what I would do. I would go, I would try the bags on, see which bag I liked the best. I would watch reviews and go from there, because the bags are so expensive, especially if you are saving up to get a bag.
Right.
You don't want to regret, you know, your purchase. So that's what I would say. But if you ask me which one I like the best, I have to go with the Jumbo. And I like this bag the best because I feel like this bag is worth the money. When I got this bag, it felt substantial. It felt heavy. You could see my Chanel logo crisp and clear.
That is very nice.
Yes, the straps are so nice and like just so thick. I love that. It just feels substantial and I feel like it's worth the money. I love this bag.
Alright, you guys, so she just gave you all the tea on these Chanel bags. So what we are going to do next, we are going to do a what fits in these purses. Alright, you guys, so that was the end of our video, and if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and if you have any requests for any type of video, make sure you guys leave it down below. And now Qui is going to hit you with the question of the day.
The question of the day is, with the price increase with Chanel, would you purchase a Jumbo or a medium flap, or would you say, girl, no, that's out of my price point and they could suck a duck? I just want to know, like, are you purchasing the bags or not?
Exactly.
Or not?
Alright, you guys, we will see you next Thursday, and don't forget to stay what?
Chiq.
Chiq Squad.